Meet the TRV-30 Max, smart cleaning designed for powerful, effortless, everyday cleaning. Built for modern homes, TRV-30 Max combines intelligent navigation with reliable, high-efficiency cleaning. With 360-degree LiDAR navigation, it scans your home in real time, creates an accurate map, moves smoothly around furniture, and avoids falls and collisions automatically. Powered by 5,000 Pascal strong suction, it lifts dust, hair, and debris from tiles, hard floors, and carpets. Supported by 5200 mAh long-lasting battery. For floor care, TRV-30 Max features a dual spin mop system, delivering consistent scrubbing for everyday dirt and stains. An extendable edge cleaning arm automatically moves outward to clean edges, corners, and wall lines. When carpets are detected, it intelligently boosts performance for stronger and more effective cleaning. With the Tiron World app, download from the Play Store or App Store. Register using your email ID, connect to home Wi-Fi, and the robot maps your home automatically. Select rooms, set schedules, and control cleaning remotely anytime, anywhere. Tiron TRV-30 Max, smart navigation, powerful cleaning. Experience at your nearest center today.